Hello everyone, this is Henny. Today I'm going to show you how to download Netbeans and start writing your first programs in Java. So let's get started. So first, let's get ahead and search for Netbeans online. So Netbeans, and then the first link here is netbeans.apache.org. I'm going to click this link and then look for download. So download here. So there are several options here to download. Some of them are the binaries or the installers. So we are interested in the installers here, like this one, exe as an extension for Windows. But I'm interested in another one because this one does not include Java. So it's Netbeans, and then you need to download Java. So instead, I'm going to download from the community installers. So let's get here to this link and click it, and then we come to this website. So this site is codelarity.com/netbeans. So I'm going to download here Netbeans 13 with JDK 17. Okay, so let's hit the button and start downloading. Just a few seconds. With this file, it's pretty simple and easy because it's just several clicks and you're done. So let's accept the license agreement. You can read it if you want. I'm going to just accept it. Next. And then I'm not going to create a desktop shortcut. So next, install. And it's going to install for me. Should take 1 minute or a few minutes. Now it's done, and I'm going to launch Apache Netbeans. So finish. I actually had Netbeans installed before. I just wanted to show you how to install it. So when you install it for the first time, you're going to see this page here. It's called Start Page, but you will not be able to create new projects, right? So if you want to create a new project, you need to go to plugins from Tools. So Tools, Plugins, and here with the plugins, you need to go to the installed plugins. So when you first install Netbeans, Java SE and Tools and all other features like Netbeans IDE, they will not be active. So you need to activate them. So just make sure that you activate them so that they can work for you. Okay. Once you activate them, you might need to restart your Netbeans. Otherwise, you're ready to go. So I'm going to start the first application, first Java application for you. So let's go ahead and just click on File and New Project. There are basically in Netbeans 3 build systems. So Maven is one of them, and then Gradle, and then Ant. I'm going to use Ant. It's an old one and I'm used to it. So okay, so I'm going to use just Ant here. So Java application. And then next, I'm going to give it a name. So you can write first app, right? And then you can create a main class with the same name, and your package is going to go with the same project name, but all small letters. Okay, so project name is first app. This is going to be your package, and then a class you generated for it, and this class is first app. Again, but with capital letters. Okay, so let's hit finish here and start writing our project. So this is the first view that you are going to see. You will see some lines of code were written for you already. So here, for example, is the documentation lines. You can write the project name and the author. So I'm going to write my name here, right? So basically, it takes the name from the username in this computer, right? Now we have our package. So the package, and then the name of the package, and then the documentation in which you can write the author, the project, and other stuff. And then we start with the class first app. You can name it anything actually. So I'm going to leave it just like that. So first app, and inside this class you have to have the main method so that your program can run. So I'm going to delete the comment here and then just write the first line of code. So as usual, people start with a hello world program. So I'm just going to write it down. So in Java, to write to the output, we need the command system.out.print or system.out.println. So I'm going to use this one and just write hello. Now I'm going to run. I'll hit this button here to run the app. See if it's run. Yes, this is my result here. So hello world, and this is our first program. In the next video, I'm going to show you how this works and explain a bit about the comments and the structure of the Java class and the Java code. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.